Hi everyone, this is Dim Tutorials and today I'll show you the best Discord bots and how to use them. Before I start the video, I just wanted to ask you to subscribe to support the channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of my newest uploads. Now let's get back to the video. All the links to the bots mentioned in this video will be available in the description below. The first Discord bot is Disboard. Disboard allows you to spread your Discord servers to other people. To add it to your server, simply just go to the website. Click on Add Your Server. Log into your Discord account and authorize the access. Now click on Add New Server and select the server you wish to spread. Select the category, tags and a description. Click on Save and Continue. Authorize again. Now the bot is on your server. If you wish to spread the server, just simply write !D space bump. The next bot is Reminder. This bot allows you to set a reminder to whenever you want. To set it up, just go to the website and click on Invite the bots. Select the server and click Continue. Authorize the access. Now set your reminder in your server. The next cool bot is Groovy. Groovy allows the users to play some nice music on the server. To set this one up, just simply go to the website. Click on Add to Discord. Select your server, click Continue and Authorize. Now go to your server and play some music. You can also change the songs on the fly with commands. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade your server to Premium to do this. One cool simple bot to help you moderate your server is Altagia. To set the bot is similar to the other ones. Go to the website and click on Add Altagia. Select the server and click Continue. Select what you want on your server and click Authorize. Now go to the dashboard to do all the configurations, as it's told here. In here you'll have all the options to moderate your server, so do as you wish. Finally, the last bot is Server Stats. As you might have guessed, this bot shows your server statuses like members, number of bot, roles, etc. After inviting the bot to your server, put this command. You can change what appears by using the commands. If this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Thank you for your time and see you again soon.